Hello guys and welcome to my new episode of Happy Wheels, episode 6. Browser web levels I'm gonna play. Cool life starting with play now. Take this and play the game. Yeah. What I'm singing so good. I'm singing so good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, play now. Hit that, Hit that. Yeah. ET. First I'm gonna press ET. That's not fun. I'm so bad. I'm not a noob. I'm okay. No, I'm a pro. I'm not a duck. I'm not a duck. I'm not a duck. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Pogo jump. I'm not GB. I'm not GB. Okay, here we go. I must. No, I must clear this. I got balls of speed. Okay. Next level. Next. This. Holy shit, I'm just gonna get front. Okay, I'm bad. Okay, I say it. And I must be this character. Okay, the second one. And yeah. So now I know which one it's going to fall down. Crap. I must clear. I take a random level. I don't like Pogo jump. Pogo. Easy. I'm not raging. I'm good. I'm fixed it. Fix your menu. Yeah, alt blade weapon. Yeah. Which weapon 6? Nearly. Yeah. Restart. I'm good. Okay, fuck it, this shit. Yeah. No. Hi. Shut up. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Hard. Oh. It's too hard. I don't want to try it. I don't want. Let's play. Oh, it go too fast. I don't want fast. Okay, here we go. Shit. That's okay. I must be the small one. And I don't jump. How? Hi. How? What I am saying. Okay, it's a hard map. Okay. Shit. Now I think it's hard. The name is hard. How did I clear it? How? Oh my god, that's freaking amazing. I cleared it. Oh my god, I cleared it. Oh, no. The box. How I'm gonna dance. Uh, 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 uh. I like to move. I like to move in a box. 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 Okay, now, bro. No, I don't want to clear it, but I must. Okay. I know I'm the best. Don't say it. Stop. Say it. Okay, stop. Say it now. Death, fail, fall. Yeah. I've done this. Yeah. I'm not say something. I'm not say something. Okay, here we go. Okay, huh. Not fun. Don't move. Okay. Look. So don't move. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna clear it. No. Boring map. Or level. Kill Hero Brian. Oh, Minecraft. That's nice. I don't want to go outside. I'm gonna lost my head. But I want to play it. Okay. Just do it back. Yeah. I don't want to play the map anymore. It's not fun. Let's restart. Goodbye, map. I don't want to play you anymore. Haha, play level. Here we go. No, down. I want down. Shit. Wow, not shit. I'm not shit. This one will be this. Yeah. Wow, not shit. Chuck Norris. This is idiot. That's me. No, you're not. How did I do that? Okay. Change level, change it now. Jackass part 1, yeah, okay. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. That was not fun. But I take another impossible. Okay. You won't make it. Yes, I won't. I'm easy. Holy shit. Rodeo Master happy. Yeah. Oh, hello guys, I'm gonna play some today. What the heck is that? The trash? I don't want it anymore. Yeah. Shit. Okay. Take another map. Yeah. Rampage. Mom's Rampage. Okay. No. I like that. Don't shoot me. Anymore. Don't shoot me. Okay. That's okay. Where's the 11? Okay, here we go. 1% possible. Okay, that's a map for me. Play now. So just oh, it's easy. Okay, it's not easy. Okay. Sword throw. Play now. Yeah. Let's get. Can I grab that sword? Oh my god. Beat the level. Restart 2. Crap. Take that. It is impossible. Yes, I think that. Okay, that one. Subscribe to me on YouTube. I don't want that. Yeah, let's play now. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I know. This one. To jump. There's the goal. Whoa. Sword. Yeah, this. Yeah. Oh ho. He's too fat. Sorry, Santa Claus. Yeah. Don't move. Go low. Toby Games. I'm better than Toby Games. Haha, you suck, Toby Games. You suck. Haha. Pro of Happy Waiters. That's me. I'm not Chuck Norris. Okay. I'm Chuck Norris. I don't want to be Chuck Norris. Okay, that's okay for me. If you want to be Chuck Norris with me, it's okay. Oh, Batman, fat guy, Santa's best friend, Indiana Jones, Justin Bieber, or JB. That's not fun. I'm not good on sport throw. Michael's new idea. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dance. Dance and run. Don't move it. Okay. Not this one. Yeah, I like this one. My favorite map. Go past the robot. Here we go. Go past the robot. I don't want to play anymore. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Goodbye.